Best Portable Camping Stove 2026. Finding a reliable camping stove that won't let you down in the middle of nowhere is surprisingly hard. I got tired of dealing with flimsy burners, so I bought and tested 5 of the best portable camping stoves on the market right now so you don't waste your money. Let's see which one actually cooks a decent meal.
Product number 1. Gas One GS3400P Dual Fuel Stove. I started out with the Gas One GS3400P, and the first thing I noticed when I pulled it out of its carrying case was how solid the metal body feels. It doesn't have that cheap tinny rattle you get with a lot of budget options. During my testing trip last weekend, the dual fuel feature was a lifesaver. I ran out of butane halfway through making breakfast, and being able to just attach a standard propane cylinder kept me from eating cold beans. The flame control was surprisingly smooth, letting me simmer soup without burning the bottom of my pot. It packs away easily, though it's a bit too heavy for backpacking. If you mostly do car camping or want a reliable backup for power outages at home, this is definitely the one you want in your trunk. Moving on to something a bit bigger for family trips.
Product number 2. Coleman Triton 2-burner propane stove. When I brought the Coleman Triton out to the campsite, when I popped the latch and set it up on the picnic table, it felt like a heavy-duty piece of gear. The hinges are stiff and the wind guards actually lock into place securely. I tested this by cooking bacon and eggs at the same time, and those 22,000 BTUs are no joke. Water boiled incredibly fast on one side, while I kept a low heat on the other. A stiff breeze rolled through my sight, but those side panels did their job perfectly, keeping the flame steady. It is bulky, so you definitely aren't hiking with it, but if you have a family to feed or do a lot of tailgating, this heavy hitter is exactly what you need for a full camp kitchen setup. Now, if you want the exact opposite of bulky, you should look at
Product number 3. Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 Backpacking Stove System. When I first held this little cylinder in my hands, I was honestly amazed at how everything just nests together inside the pot. It feels rugged, and the locking handle gives you a really secure grip when pouring hot water. I took this on a 5-mile hike to test it out, and it boiled 2 cups of water in under 3 minutes. Because the burner and the pot lock together, it completely blocks the wind and focuses all the heat right where it needs to be. You can't really cook a complex meal in it, but for boiling water for freeze-dried food or instant coffee, it is absolutely flawless. If you're a solo backpacker or just want a compact boiling setup for emergencies, you'll love this little system. For a more traditional single-burner feel that still saves space,
Product number 4. Coleman Classic 1-burner butane stove. I grabbed the Coleman Classic. Pulling it out of the included hard case, it feels very similar to the Gas One, but with that classic Coleman green aesthetic. The grate feels sturdy enough to hold a cast iron skillet without wobbling. I really appreciated the Insta-Start ignition when I was trying to make my morning coffee with freezing cold hands. I didn't have to fumble around with a lighter at all. The 7,650 BTUs provide a nice, even heat. It isn't the most powerful flame I tested, but it cooks a solid meal without burning through a butane canister in 10 minutes. If you want a dead simple, reliable tabletop stove for weekend car camping trips or impromptu picnics, this won't let you down. For those of you who want to shed every possible ounce from your backpack, let me show you. Product number 5. AOTU Portable Camping Backpacking Stove. When this tiny square box arrived, I actually laughed because it fits right in the palm of my hand. Unfolding the little support legs, I was a bit skeptical, but once I screwed it onto a fuel canister, it actually sat really stable on the dirt. I tested it with a medium-sized aluminum pot, and the built-in wind resistance baffles around the burner head did a great job protecting the flame. The piezo ignition fired up on the first click, which is awesome for such a cheap, tiny piece of gear. You have to be careful with larger pans, but it handles standard camp pots just fine. If you're on a strict budget and want an ultra lightweight option to throw in your hiking bag, that wraps up my testing for this year. Finding the right gear makes a huge difference out in the woods. I've put links to all these stoves down in the description so you can check the current prices. Catch you guys in the next video.